Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's near and dear to my heart, Venmo. I've been using Venmo for years now, and I absolutely love it. It's such a convenient way to send and receive money, and it's perfect for splitting bills with friends or family. But, as with anything in life, there's always a risk of getting scammed. And unfortunately, Venmo is no exception. So, I thought it would be helpful to do a video on this topic and answer the question, will Venmo refund me if I get scammed? Before we get into that, let's talk about what Venmo is and how it works. Venmo is a free mobile payment service that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. You can use it to pay for things like dinner, drinks, rent, or even just to give someone a gift. To use Venmo, you need to create an account and link it to your bank account or debit card. Once you've done that, you can start sending and receiving money. Here's how to send money with Venmo. Open the Venmo app. Tap the Send button. Enter the recipient's name or email address. Enter the amount you want to send. Tap the Pay button. Here's how to receive money with Venmo. Open the Venmo app. Tap the Requests tab. Accept the request. Now that we know how Venmo works, let's talk about the risks of getting scammed. There are a few different ways that you could get scammed when using Venmo. One common scam is for someone to create a fake Venmo account and then try to trick you into sending them money. Another common scam is for someone to use your Venmo account to make unauthorized purchases. This could happen if your account is compromised or if you share your login information with someone else. So, what can you do to protect yourself from getting scammed? Here are a few tips. Be careful who you send money to. Only send money to people you know and trust. Never share your login information with anyone. This includes your password, your username, and your security code. Be wary of suspicious emails or text messages. If you receive an email or text message asking you to click on a link or provide your personal information, be suspicious. Enable two-factor authentication. This will add an extra layer of security to your account. If you think you've been scammed, there are a few things you can do. Contact Venmo customer support immediately. Report the scam to the authorities. Change your Venmo password and security code. Close your Venmo account and create a new one. So, will Venmo refund you if you get scammed? The answer is yes, in most cases. Venmo has a strict policy against fraud and scams, and they will do everything they can to help you get your money back. However, there are some situations where Venmo may not be able to refund you. For example, if you authorize the transaction or if you fail to follow the steps outlined above to protect yourself from scams. Venmo is a great way to send and receive money, but it's important to be aware of the risks of getting scammed. By following the tips in this video, you can help protect yourself and your money. And remember, if you think you've been scammed, contact Venmo customer support immediately. Thank you for watching.